So now you must be wondering, okay, we've got an anchor menu and we've got a normal menu. Isn't it unnecessary to have both menus? So if you wanted to keep it simple and just have one menu, you can actually add the anchors into the horizontal menu. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to Manage Pages, and I'm going to click Add a Link here. And I'm going to add an anchor. I'm going to just click Done, and I'm going to type here About. And so on the About, I'm going to change the link and make sure it goes to the About link. I'm going to add one more anchor. Let's add one for the contact. And I'm going to name it Contact. And so now we have 3 anchors added, one for the courses, one for the contact, one for the about. So I actually don't need this anchor menu anymore. I'm going to delete it. And on the horizontal menu, I'm just going to stretch this out so I can see all those different menus. Try it out.